welcome back to my channel. Today I went to Ulta and I did a little bit of shopping and I ended up purchasing the Jaclyn Hill palette. Today I thought I would do a little review for you guys and just kind of like show you a spring type makeup look. Before this video, if you guys are not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I just took all my makeup off. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face because my face is a little dry from washing it. I'm gonna use the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer and I'm just gonna moisturize my face. Now I am going to just put on some chapstick because my lips are a little dry. Now I am going to use the Unique Glorious Face and Eye Makeup Primer. I'm going to start out with my foundation. I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty and I'm just going to use a plain wet sponge. Okay, so my foundation is done and now I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm just going to conceal up a few spots and then just go over them with my beauty blender. Okay, so I am done with my concealer. Now I'm going to move on to like this part of my face. I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm just going to go in with this Emax Design brush. I don't know exactly what one this is, but it's just kind of like a puffy brush. So I'm done bronzing my face and now I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and I'm just going to use a like small fluffy brush to put that like on my face. I'm done highlighting my face and now I'm going to do my eyebrows and these are going to take a little bit longer. I'm just going to show like part of it and then I'll just skip ahead. For my eyebrow product, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Brow Pencil. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation and I'm going to be using the Salon Perfect eyebrow like dip gel stuff. Okay, so my eyebrows are finished. They took me about a half an hour, which is kind of lengthy, but they are like full like glam, I guess you could say. I am going to move on to the eyeshadow and I am so excited. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the shade in Light and I'm going to put this like in my inner corner. I have the shades in my inner corner. They're really light. I'm gonna like try to do something about that, make them a little bit more vibrant. I am going to go in with the shade Faint. They're the one I'm pointing at. And then on my outer corner, I'm going in with Sissy. So that completes my eye makeup. I wanted it to be very simple. I am going to move on to mascara and I'm using two different mascaras. I'm using the telescopic mascara on my bottom lashes and a little bit on my top, and then I'm going to be using Maybelline's Falsies Push-Up Drama Waterproof Mascara on my top. that completes my finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I can also do more makeup related videos if you want. I'm not the best at makeup. I am learning. I'd say I'm pretty fair at it, so subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!